Hello guys, and welcome to today's video. And the video is going to be about forex rating, supply and demand zones. So far, we've learned what supply and demand zones are. We've learned at looking at multi-time frame analysis and how we do that. Today, we're going to delve a bit upon rating and looking at what zones are powerful and what zones are weak. So, one thing that makes a zone weak is if it's been tested a few times. For example, this supply zone was formed. The price came back to test it once and it rejected. But now the third time it's come back, it can break through. So we ideally are looking for always a fresh zone to trade. So that's one of the factors that we judge for a supply zone to be weak or strong. Then we also look for how good or with what momentum the price has moved away from that supply zone or demand zone. Be it if there is a good imbalance and even a gap in the market, that makes it a very strong zone. So we look at that, whereas over here the price has not moved with a great momentum and also come back. So we feel this zone is not as strong as the zone that has a strong movement away from it. So let's look at some examples now. So over here, as you could see, there's a GBP AUD. Okay, this zone has a strong movement downwards. It broke the structure here. It's come back. It gets rejected. Great. We would have had, if let's see what we could have got. I'm pretty sure it was a strong short move. So we could have got at least yeah, 1:4. So but again, the point is it gets rejected, comes back, gets rejected again, but then it breaks the zone. So this is one example of it. Second example is over here. So we can see on AUD USD, the zone breaks here and it forms a supply zone. Then it comes back, tests the supply zone once, great movement away from it, and then comes back, breaks it. So but as you can also see, look at the strength of the movement away from it. So that's also something we need to consider when we look at zones. So I hope this video has helped. This is some of the examples for AUD USD. Demand zone, comes strong movement away, comes back, tests it, goes up, back up. We can have a look at, let's just say, AUD CAD. Look at this, strong movement away, comes back, price comes back, and then we go up again. And this gives me a great, this gives all of us, in fact, a great opportunity. In fact, look over here, this is a zone here, this black candle. Look at the price strength it moves away with, and then it comes back, and then we go upwards. So this is some of the things we take into account while looking into what trades we're going to do. So thanks a lot, guys. I hope you guys learn from this video, enjoy it, and please do like, subscribe, and share if you think it's helpful. Thank you, guys. Have a great day.